Welcome to Friday, end of the week. I've managed to do 5 videos in a row. Wow. Hope you enjoyed 5 videos in a row. I just started to think today actually, what I might do is do like a monthly video as well, like a end of a month. You know, the last day of every month say or something, I'll do a video of just what I've done and just talk about what I've done during the whole month. So if anyone doesn't really want to watch all the daily videos, I could do a little playlist of just monthly videos, so you could just watch, 12 videos and bang, you see the car done in 12 short videos. So yeah, I might do that. So remind me near the end of the month. Let me know if that's a good idea. Well, obviously people that watch this daily don't care too much anyway. But yeah, so yeah, that's what we did last time. Looking good. So I might just pop the other panel in there just to keep it out of the way. I can see some metal in the seals and stuff, so we need to get a hoover in that before we put all that in there. But what I'm thinking of doing this today is just do the same again the other side, just so we know what we're doing, and we sort of see if we can either do it better or worse. Who knows? So yeah, let's get this panel back on. Yeah, just put this panel back on. Just get it out of the way. Saves me tripping as well. Hopefully it should go back on, because the way we've done it, that just slips in there. Go this hole. There we go. Lovely jubbly. Yeah. Get that on, keep it out of the way. No, this isn't just a mirror image of the video from yesterday. Well, it sort of is, but not really. So yeah, so let's take this off. We're all happy that our location holes are good, so we know it goes there. The lip down here, the lip down there, all lovely. So we need to clean it off. You can even see the rust coming through again. Clean it all off, ready for spot welding, and take the arch out again. Oh, and this has got that bit of strengthening as well that we need to, or bracing that we need to clean up. Okay, panel's off. Might even be able to do this one with the wheel arch on, because the back's not supported much, you can see that, but we shall see. Might be better off not doing that. We'll see. I stopped just being lazy and decided to take the wheel arch out anyway. So yeah, we'll just grind this nubbin off, which was a hole that went across originally to try and square things up and stuff, but it comes off now. Okay, arch out, nubbin cleaned off. Yeah, just making sure all the burrs have been taken off. Where we want to spot weld, well, where we put the clips through. Get your clips back. This is where I use slightly bigger clips on one side. I won't say anything if you don't. As I said, attacking the rear corners is a separate job. Oh, no, not the only one down here today. That's not me. It's not my stomach. The only benefit of these bigger clamps is they've got a little bit more gripping power, I think. But yeah, you do have to drill a slightly bigger hole. So we're going to do the same as what we did the other side, and we basically put some clamps in as well as we're going. Lovely. Spot welder time. Okay. Right, we'll do what we did last time. We start off in the centre. We went a bit hairy on the amount we cut out on here, so it could have been left a little bit more on the wings. But we should be able to get the spot welder in here. Oh, hello. Oh, lovely. Looking good. As I said, we get them sort of 3-4 inches apart. And yeah, go from there. Double check the back side, make sure everything's all good. Everything's good on the back side. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Pretty good. Obviously we won't know until we really sort of get all the quarter on and everything buttoned up what's going to happen. But it's one benefit of keeping it a very short, thin panel. You know, there's less to sort of go wrong on it. Well, that's my thinking anyway. So yeah, as I said, a little bit more of a gap than I needed to, but it's better than no gap in it overlapping. So yeah, we'll just get the old MIG weld around here and just plug up the little holes, and yeah, give it a bit of a tinkle. Yep, used the master game. So yeah, that's all right. As I said, a bit of a bigger quarter repair on this side. We might be able to get the spot weld along the other side. We did measure the length of these arms. I just don't think I can get high enough, but we'll try. We might be able to just bring the jaws out a little bit more, but we'll just have to see. But anyway, so that's that rear quarter done. Well, that rear arch. As I said, we need to repair, well, definitely repair the other side, the strengthening supports before we put the arches back in. So it's mostly worth getting the arches back in before we do that last quarter repair. But what we can do now is drill holes where we're going to plug weld the arches on, which we can't get spot welders to. So, but yeah, fish and chips for tea tonight. I don't know if anybody else is having the same. I haven't heard you for, I keep asking. I sent Malcolm a message, but he hasn't come back. Hope he's alright. Hope you're just busy. Or you just got bored of my channel. So, anyway, it's all looking good. So yeah, short video. Have a good weekend, everyone. Crack on with your minis and cars and any restoration projects. Yeah, till next week. Have a good time.